Geminis, this is me Khushali and you are watching world's first 4K Zodiac channel, Astroflix.com. Your curiosity often opens new doors and leads you on the road to success. You have just opened the door called 2017. A long journey to success awaits you. There are so many things to talk about. Your career, your relationships, money, marriage prospects. Let us start walking the road step by step. Let us talk about career first. Your daily work routine might get a bit muddled. Saturn, the planet of limitations and challenges, is behind this. Take this situation in your stride. Challenges brings out the best in the person. Use this time to showcase your talents and abilities. The long hours and deadlines might keep you very busy. Don't let this affect your health. I advise you to take a break during this time. Once you rejuvenate, you will perform better. Mid-Feb to April end is a very auspicious time. You are going to be offered a new post at work. Take it and give your best as the position is full of responsibilities. Your boss will approve a certain requirement made by you. I think it is best left to the masters to tell you what exactly it will be. Our renowned astrologers know every detail of your career this year. Buy their 2017 career report now. They say that your career is your business. You must manage it well like a CEO. On that note, let us take a look at your business predictions. Business. Business persons will be very lucky in their negotiations. The planetary positions are completely in your favor. You have to get clients from abroad. Try to get them the best service. By doing so, your business will expand. That will increase this year's turnover. Luck is what happens when every preparation meets opportunity. Jupiter, the planet of luck and growth, is supporting you in May. It is best month for negotiating a deal. You will have to deal carefully as far as business partnerships go. Our astrologers have predicted that some misunderstandings will arise. So, they found out the remedies and solution to deal with them. You can get those by buying our 2017 business report. Money management plays a large role in a good business. Let us take a look at your finance predictions. 2017 is very auspicious in terms of money. At this point, things are looking very positive. Your income will increase this year. You will get financial boost throughout the year. However, they will be irregular. You will come across a new way to earn more this year. It can be anything, a new job, business, and so on. The planetary positions support you for new ventures. It looks like you may invest in buying something new. It might be a new vehicle or a new property. You must have heard that the choices we make determine our destiny. Deal very carefully in stock markets. Your decisions will matter here. If you need help with those, then buy our 2017 finance report. Our accomplished astrologers can predict the market very well. Security not only comes from money but also from relationships. Let's move ahead with your relationships predictions. Jupiter, the planet of growth, will have a positive effect on your relationships this year. There is a chance of a new relationship this February. I suggest that you should go ahead if you are sure about the other person's commitment. You need to focus on balancing your emotions up to April end. Understand that there can be difference of opinion without personal differences. April end to May end is the best time to build harmonious relationships. Just avoid bringing your ego in between professional relationships. A relationship will turn rough from 4th September to 22nd August. You need not worry about that. Our talented astrologers have got the solution for that. It is in our 2017 Personal Life and Relationships report. Buy it right now. Every good relationship, especially marriage, is based on respect. On that note, let's take a look at your marriage predictions. There is no fun in making an issue out of small things. It is very easy to focus on negative and overlook the positive in your partner. Change this attitude by having a good time. You can go for a long drive, go on a date, go to gym together and even plan a baby together. This will bring back the magic. Your spouse loves you. They are trying their best to take care of your needs. They are behind the stress-free environment at home. It is a very auspicious time to give them their due. Now, if you are going to plan a baby, then the period up to September is very favorable. If you already have children, then you will be very happy with their progress this year. Some minor issues will trouble you from April to May. You don't have to worry about it. Our astrologers have their solutions ready in their 2017 marriage report. You can buy it right now. Good education and lifestyle are very essential in selecting a good partner. Let us take a look at your education and health prospects. The people with the best advice are usually the ones who have been through the most. Take the guidance of your teachers if you are stuck with a major problem. You will have to take care of your health majorly in May, September and October. I suggest that you improve your lifestyle. It will only add to the fun in your life. Well, this year has a lot more in store than this. I wish I could give you a detailed analysis of the whole year along with the solution of your all problems, just like our astrologers do. But I believe that the future depends on your present actions. You can know and change your future by buying our 2017 yearly report along with all these reports right now. They have solutions to all the problems you will be facing this year. So visit www.ganeshaspeaks.com and change your future for better. For more videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel astroflix.com, world's first 4K zodiac channel. For more videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel astroflix.com, world's first 4K zodiac channel.